Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So it seems that the gold recovery is still standing after bouncing at roughly about 2360 a couple of sessions ago. Now we've broken 2400, which is quite significant, a big psychological level, bouncing back. And with market sentiments shifting to the fact that we will be seeing a definite rate cut by the Fed in September, we are seeing more of a turnaround in the markets from the vast sell-off that we've seen on Friday and Monday. So with that being said, how much of a rate cut will the Fed do? Is it going to be 25 basis points, 50 basis points, or even 75 basis points that we saw them raising it by a few years ago when the pandemic was in full flow? So we'll wait and see. Obviously, the Fed will be optimistically cautious that it won't get things wrong. But in the meantime, let's just take a look at the path and trajectory of gold at the moment. So I'll just signal out this 2400 area, because if we do, well, we have broken it, but if we do stay above this particular level on the daily chart at least, then it does give more of an impetus that we will see a possible swing towards the 2460, 2470 area. But it could take a couple of sessions to do that. $40 to $50 isn't really too much of a move in the last few sessions if you just take a look at where the markets were swing after swing here. But we are now seeing that if we do get to this particular area, it will be a heavy resistance, and we'll see if there's going to be another record high. Like I said a few sessions ago on the charts, we're seeing now that on the weekly, we were actually gearing up for another record high in the near term. And if I just zoom out just to show you, we had this first record high here, and then we had the next one, and then the next one. So don't be surprised if we do have another one in the next couple of sessions at least, obviously with Middle Eastern tensions heightening and China's supply with oil hitting the market as well. We could see quite a big upturn in the yellow metal. So metal market subdued for the last few sessions, but possibly looking a little bit better in the near term at least. So let's look on the 4-hour chart, because we're not really done yet, as I said, with a possible sell-off. But the bias is to the upside at the moment. So again, we'll just wait and see if we can hold by the end of this session above 2400, and then we'll be able to make a calculated assessment of where gold is going to next. On the flip side, let's just take a look at the dollar. So the dollar hitting a firm double bottom just at the lower end of 102, and now we're just starting to creep higher, but this will probably consolidate until we get a clear path on where the gold and silver are going, actually, when we see more of a movement in the market. So just keep an eye out for all the Fed's signals. Obviously, we've got Fed speeches up until their September meeting, and we'll be able to see and assess the path of not only gold but the dollar as well. And as usual, this video will be posted on our YouTube and Telegram channels, so feel free to like, subscribe, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great trading day. Until next time, bye for now.